Hello everyone. So in this presentation, we are going to look about some connectors such as ServiceNow, Web Service Connector, Active Directory Connector, and Azure AD Connector. So in order to connect with ServiceNow, in the marketplace, we need to install SailPoint for Service Desk application. Initially, now a Service Desk. So once we integrate this, I mean, we install this application, we can integrate in the SailPoint identity now. So let us see how the configuration goes. So coming to a ServiceNow source, you can see once you create a source as a ServiceNow connector, uh, give it a second. So once you create a new source as a ServiceNow connector, you can go to edit configuration. So we will come to the other tabs. So in the base configuration, we can have the metadata such as source name, description, owner, and the virtual appliance cluster and the governance group. So post that in the connection settings, we need to have the URL for our ServiceNow uh, in target system, and also we can choose the authentication type as basic or OAuth2. So here we have used basic authentication. In the aggregation settings, we can choose the delta aggregation, manage role groups, and manage inherited roles. And also we have some filters such as account filters, group filters, role filters, and the page size, where we can filter out while aggregating from the target system. So once you save these settings, we can go to advanced settings, where we can configure like aggregation timeout, provisioning timeout, user SysID reference, and retry list errors. So if there is any errors from this retry list error, it will have the multiple retries again and again. So if we want any additional data, like any additional attributes, we can specify them here. So once you are done with the entire settings, you can close the service now, and you can just you can click on test connection whether we are reachable to the target system or not. So you can see a status call connected over here. So post that we can aggregate the accounts and entitlements accordingly. So in the create account, in the create profile, we have some attributes that need to be configured, so such as username, first name, last name. And also there are some say ServiceNow specified attributes such as that are represented using u underscore. So you can identify them in the create profile, where you can see they have u underscore. So in such way, based on our requirement, we can configure the create profile. This will be helpful during the creating account in target system. So this is regarding ServiceNow.